Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about Bull Finance token. So it's an amazing bull token, it's a meme coin. So let's start the review. Before starting the review, see the little disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any market investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. And must subscribe our YouTube channel, then press the bell icon for notify our later updated videos. And guys, all links provided in your video description you can check. Or first of all, welcome to the Bull Finance community. Bull token is a meme surrounded ownership burden LP given to community from the very beginning. And creation of Dave wallet, no contract control, liquidity control, all burn and safe. You can click on buy now and you can also check out the chart. This is DexView chart. You can also check out the price prediction of this bull token, latest buy sale, everything is provided on the page. And you can also check out the price prediction of 30 minutes indicator and bull BNB. You can also check out the latest price upcoming down and growing. You can also check out the about dollar bull token. Bull token created on 2024 Binance Margin Network with contracted reconted liquidity, but its creation Bull token has grown into the fully fungible, decentralized, 100% community-driven project. So guys, this project based on BNB Smart Chain and it's a 100% community-driven project. It's mean it's a 100x jam. Bull is recognized as a world fast differentiated token, the first token create a mechanic automatically increase liquidity and reward token holders. Perfect Bull token design the increase liquidity according to the trading volume. Liquidity increase 2% per sale. The higher transactional liquidity more sensible. So as a large scale project become the refund 2%. And you can also check out about dollar bull token full information. And if you scroll down, you can check out dollar bull liquidity over the air bull run coming. You can also check out this bull run coming, and this is a roadmap. You can also buy this token. Simply click on connect wallet. After clicking the wallet, you can inject wallet, connect Coinbase and OKX. So if you use wallet connect, you can also use it. After connecting your wallet, and then you need to enter your amount, how much you want to buy. I tell some other details, then I show you how to buy. So first of all, you can check out token academics dollar bull. Tax buy is just 3%, 3% marketing. Tax sale just 7%, and you can check out 2% add LP, 2% is just reflection, 3% marketing. And you can also check out this is unlimited supply. Total burn, you can also check out all burn. This is contact address of bull token. You can also copy this address, and you can also check out edit bull. You click here to edit. I open this link, so I click edit. After clicking that, you can also check out community wanted leaders. You can check out everyone holders. You can also follow on Telegram. This is Twitter account and this is BSC scan. So I also open BSC scan. You can also check contact us bull token. This is email provided. You can contact us if you have any issue, and you can also check out the project info. Welcome to the Bull Finance community. And you can also check out token symbol bull token, token symbol bull, and contract address token MSL 18, total supply, contract verified yes, blend from Binance Smart Chain, no license bull tokens solidity. This is owner address, this is developer address. And you can also check out manual code review, risk details. You can also check out score history. This is 17, and this is high 84. You can also check out file report. This is everything provided. One informative, you can click on share. You can also share this information. This is a mirror and certified, and this is social links, 3 words and 866 visits, edit release, edit request, and onboarding, audit review, edit release. And you can also check out edit, and this is contract BSC scan. You can also copy this address, and you can also check out full detail about this project. 3 hours 6 minutes last transaction, and you can also check out they are buying and selling, approved transfer, every transaction is provided, and you can also check out. And this is contract address. You can also copy it. And guys, this is a DexView price prediction. So what is DexView? DexView is a price providing, and you can check out this DexView trending. You can also check out all coins price very easily. I opening the bull BNB. You can also select other currency, and you can also check out the price prediction of this project. All time high, all time low, everything is provided. You can also follow the indicators. You can also click on the indicator. You can also follow the average price, and you can also follow all the things. So you can also check out your tax. Buyers, you can also check out the all buyers. This is sellers, total sold. You can also check out total sold, and you can click on buyers option. You can also check out the buyer option. So it's very amazing project. It's amazing meme token for meme lovers, and you can also check out the full detail about this project. And guys, first of all, I give some my own opinion, it's an amazing project. If you invest in this project, I suggest you hold this token, but do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. So let's talk about some other details. First of all, you can check out roadmap. I click on roadmap. After clicking the roadmap, you can also check out the roadmap this project. This is the roadmap, and you can click on the roadmap 15,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Everything is provided. Click on buy now. After clicking the buy now, pancake swap is successfully open. After pancake swap open, you need to connect your wallet. Simply click on connect your wallet. After connecting, you can check out this. Simply click on understand, and then import bull token. After importing, you can use MetaMask, which wallet you are using. It's depend on you. Then select your wallet, Coinbase, Binance Trust wallet. So I select MetaMask. Then I click on connect option, and I click on approve option. After clicking the approve, I click on switch network because I Ethereum network, and now BNB Smart Chain. Enter your amount, how much you want to buy. Suppose example, if I buy 1 BNB, you can check out, you will get like something amounts, and then click on approve option, and your token will be successfully added to your account. And then you need to add your bull token in account. Your MetaMask Trust wallet, they copy this contract address, paste in your wallet, and your token will be successfully added to your wallet. So it's very easy step to buying this token and adding to your wallet. And you can also check out DEX view, and everything is provided. And you can also check out bull run coming, and reflection, marketing, everything is provided. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will reply you soon.